In this video, we are going to discuss practical number 3. Initially, for the practical number 3, you want to prepare the table like this. So then thereafter, you want to calculate the gross salary and EPF and net salary. So in the questions, so first they are asking you to enter the above data in your Excel sheet. So normally you can easily do that part. So then thereafter they are asking you to calculate the gross salary, EPF and net salary. They have given the formula here. So gross salary is equal to basic salary plus allowance. So then EPF basic salary into 8 percentage, that is EPF. So finally net salary, gross salary minus deduction minus EPF. So then they're asking you to make the heading bold, italic, underline. So then you want to apply some suitable format on your given table. So finally you want to format the row height as a 20. Okay, so here like this way you want to prepare your table initially. Okay, so after that first you want to calculate the gross salary. So gross salary here, basic salary plus allowance. So the basic salary plus allowance, that's mean E2 plus F2. So gross salary is equal to basic salary plus allowance, then enter. So double click here, so you will fill whole details. So then EPF basic salary into 8 percentage. So then basic salary into 8 percentage. Then finally net salary is equal to gross salary minus deduction minus EPF. So net salary, that's mean from the gross salary minus deduction minus EPF, then enter. Okay, so like this way you can calculate the gross salary, EPF, net salary. Then finally you want to apply some styles on your table. Okay, so then thereafter they are asking you to change the row height as a 20. So select the rows and right click row height, just enter 20, then enter. So now the height is increased. Okay, so like this way you can complete your practical number 3.